The drone market has been buzzing with excitement ever since rumors of the DJI Neo started to surface. Billed as an affordable, beginner-friendly drone with some impressive features, the Neo is shaping up to be a game changer. But with all the hype surrounding it, the big question remains: is the DJI Neo really worth your hard-earned money? Let's dive into the details to find out. Design and build quality. First things first, the DJI Neo is compact, lightweight, and designed with portability in mind. Weighing in at around half the weight of the DJI Mini 4K, the Neo is small enough to take with you anywhere, making it a great option for those who are always on the go. The drone's sleek, minimalist design isn't just for looks, it's built to be durable, so you won't have to worry too much about it surviving the occasional bump or drop. Despite its budget-friendly price, the Neo doesn't skimp on quality. The materials used feel premium, and the drone's overall build suggests that it's built to last. This is particularly important for beginners who might not yet have the skill to avoid every obstacle. DJI's reputation for quality is evident here, and the Neo doesn't disappoint in this regard. Camera and imaging capabilities. Now, let's talk about one of the most critical aspects of any drone: the camera. The DJI Neo comes equipped with a 4K camera that boasts a 1.2-inch sensor, which is impressive for a drone in this price range. This means you can capture high-quality videos and stills with sharp details and vibrant colors, making it ideal for content creators and casual users alike. The camera is paired with a single-axis gimbal that provides some stabilization, which, while not as robust as the 3-axis gimbals found on higher-end models, still does a commendable job at keeping your footage smooth. Whether you're filming a scenic landscape or capturing a quick aerial selfie, the Neo's camera is more than capable of delivering excellent results. One standout feature is the Neo's internal storage capacity of 22 GB. This eliminates the need for an SD card in many situations, a convenience that can't be overstated, especially for users who want to keep things simple and straightforward. Flight performance. When it comes to flight performance, the DJI Neo is designed to be user-friendly. It includes automatic takeoff and landing features, as well as quick-shot modes that allow for rapid photo and video capture. For beginners, these features make the drone incredibly easy to operate, even if you've never flown one before. The Neo also supports FPV, first-person view mode, compatible with goggles and controllers, which adds a layer of immersion to your flying experience. For those looking to get creative with their shots, the voice control feature is a nice touch, allowing you to command the drone hands-free. However, one area where the Neo might fall short for some users is its flight time. With a battery life of approximately 18 minutes per charge, it's not the longest-lasting drone on the market. For most casual users, this should be sufficient for capturing several short flights or selfie videos. But if you're planning on extended shooting sessions, you might find yourself swapping batteries more often than you'd like. Ease of use. DJI has clearly designed the Neo with beginners in mind. The setup process is straightforward, and the drone is ready to fly right out of the box. The inclusion of features like quick-shot modes and voice control further simplifies the flying experience, allowing users to focus more on capturing the perfect shot rather than worrying about complex controls. One of the most convenient features of the Neo is its ability to take off and land from the palm of your hand. This makes it incredibly easy to deploy and retrieve the drone, especially in tight spaces where a flat surface might not be available. For those new to drones, this feature alone can reduce a lot of the anxiety that comes with learning to fly. Price and value. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the price. With a rumored starting price of around $220, the DJI Neo is positioned as an entry-level drone that offers a lot of bang for your buck. For those who want to explore aerial photography and videography without breaking the bank, the Neo presents a compelling option. The Neo is also expected to be available in a Fly More combo package, which includes extra batteries, a charging hub, and an improved controller for around $350. While this is a bit of a jump from the base price, the additional accessories make it a worthwhile investment for those who want to maximize their flying time and convenience. Given its features, the DJI Neo offers excellent value for the money. It's not the cheapest drone on the market, but it's certainly one of the most affordable options that doesn't compromise on quality. For beginners and casual users, it strikes the right balance between price, performance, and ease of use. Conclusion. So, is the DJI Neo worth the hype? Absolutely. It's a well-rounded, budget-friendly drone that's perfect for beginners and casual users looking to dip their toes into the world of aerial photography. With its impressive camera, user-friendly design, and competitive pricing, the Neo offers a lot of value for the money. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of higher-end models, it delivers where it counts, making it a smart choice for those who want a reliable, easy-to-use drone without spending a fortune. If you're in the market for a new drone, the DJI Neo should definitely be on your radar.